Dragons and fairies, they fly in the sky. One flutters gently, the other flies high. In the sky they brawl, one is big, one is small, but they both will heed the battle call. Dragons are mighty, they rule by the flame, soaring high through the skies and are feared by their name. Winds tear through the clouds as they charge into the fray, getting chased